Hi guys, I am joining the 21st century and I am going to try out this software that I've just added to my iPad. So I thought I'd make a quick video on the nearest neighbour just to see how it all works and see if you can access it, see if I can upload to YouTube, etc. So we have to have a starting point. We're going to start at A. We look down column A and the smallest one is E. So we're adding in A to E. Now the difference between nearest neighbour and prim is that we can't look down previous columns. We can only look down the one we have just numbered, hence the term nearest neighbour. So I'm going to look down column E and 35 is the smallest. So I'm going to add in BE. From there I'm going to label this one third. Now I'm only looking down column B. I'm adding in 85DB. From here, I'm going to add D into this, and I can only look down D, so I haven't got much choice. I'm having to go from C to D, which is 65. I'm now adding C in, and what you do now is, because I need to go back to where I started, I have to get back to A. So I have to add that 70 in at the end so that I can get back to where I started. And then we would add all those up. That would give us the upper bound using the nearest neighbour. If it made a tour, it could then be an optimal solution. Hi guys, look at me joining the 21st century. I hope you're all well, and I'm sorry that I haven't seen you for what seems like a very long time. I'm hoping that by using this kind of software I'll be able to do more complex maths with you, if it works and if I can figure out how to upload it to YouTube. So I'm doing a quick short video to start off with, just so I can get used to this and see if it works. So nearest neighbour as an upper bound, you need a starting point. So my starting point here is A. I'm going to look down A and it tells me to go to E. So I delete E and I'm going to number that one 2. Now the difference between nearest neighbour and prim is that I can only now look down column E, not previously numbered columns. So I'm looking down E, tells me to go to B. So I'm going to cross that one out, number that one 3. I'm only looking down B now, which is 85. So I'm going to go to D. Cross it out, number that one next. I'm now looking down column 4, haven't got a lot of choice. I've got to go for 65. So D to C, 65. Cross that out, number this one. Now I've got no numbers down there, however I have got to get from C to A because I need to go back to where I started. So C to A is 70, and then I could add all of that up, but my tour would be A to E to B to D to C to A, and that is then an upper bound for the travelling salesperson problem.